Ready to unlock a whole new world of low-cost crypto transactions? Let's jump right into adding the Base network to your MetaMask wallet. First things first, open your MetaMask wallet. Look for the network selection drop-down menu at the top. It likely says Ethereum Mainnet right now. Click on it. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and click on the Add Network button. This will open a new page in your browser. On the Add a Network page, find and click Add a Network manually at the bottom of the page. Now, you'll need to enter the Base network details in the network name field. Type Base Mainnet for the new RPC URL. Enter Base.org. The chain ID is 8453. The currency symbol is ETH. And finally, the block explorer URL is Base Canard. Double check that you entered all of these correctly. Once you've entered all the details, click the Save button. MetaMask will automatically add the Base network to your list of available networks. Great! Now, if you click on the network selection drop-down again, you'll see Base Mainnet listed. Select it. You are now connected to the Base network. To start using Base, you'll need to bridge some ETH from Ethereum. Use a trusted bridge like the official Base bridge or Orbiter Finance. Connect your MetaMask to the bridge. Select Ethereum as your origin chain and Base as your destination, and follow the instructions to transfer your ETH. Once the ETH arrives on Base, you can start exploring decentralized apps, send transactions, and experience the fast and affordable world of Base. You're all set to explore the Base network with MetaMask.